single mother, and then my siblings, and then seeing her, you know, work for every dime, and kind of me being the older sister, having to look after my sisters, and just having this role of leadership in itself already, in survival and being in survival mode. So that helped me to realize what was going on in my city of Milwaukee. And I began to volunteer when it came to little school things and school professors coming to the high school speaking on like, hey, there's programs where you can be involved to speak on these issues, or councils, or the mayor. There's, you know, poetry competitions where you could write for them and perform and things like that. So without a thought, I remember just being involved in that. And so that